with Asia CEO Davao 2021, and the absolute best way to start this event is with the mayor. Mayor Sara Duterte has become certainly a national, well, if not international, but at least a national figure with her appointment and success as the mayor of Davao City. She is the first female mayor of the city and the youngest to have been elected to the position. Now, she would say, you know, her father, Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte, may have helped her a bit through that, but certainly she has really put herself forward as a strong leader and a good leader for the people of Davao. So please welcome Mayor Sara Duterte of Davao City. Really glad to have Mayor.
Madayaw ug maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. On behalf of the City Government of Davao, I would like to thank the officers and organizers of Asia CEO events for focusing this year's Asia CEO 2021 on Davao City and Mindanao. Just like the rest of the world, Davao City is facing various challenges due to COVID-19. Despite this, the city government remains resolute and committed to the implementation of the priority programs and projects we have set out for the future of our city. The 30 priority projects under the 10-point Biyaheng Do 30 banner, initially identified in 2016, have benefited a great number of Davaoenos. And this year, in line with our COVID-19 response and recovery strategies, we continue to implement these programs with greater focus on improving the health sector and addressing other basic welfare needs of the community. Crucial to the recovery of our communities is the need to reinvigorate the economy. And so I am inviting everyone to listen to the speakers from various industries share how Davao City has been contributing to the growth of their businesses. And we hope that you too may come and discover how Davao City can change your business and your life. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayong lahat.